Something magical is about to begin, only on SynthiVerse Irfan.
No way! I just drew that, and it's flying! Watch more on SynthiVerse Irfan. This pencil can do anything! Let's go, SynthiVerse Irfan! Yum! Floating ice cream. This pencil is crazy. I wonder what else I can draw. So I drew a rocket next, and boom! It flew right past my nose. Then I drew an umbrella, and whoa! I'm flying sad, kinda.
Next, I drew a rainbow slide. Whee! This is so much fun!
Then I drew a magic mirror. It's got a mind of its own. I got super sneakers. Zoom, zoom, watch me go. This bouncing ball's crazy dead. It won't stop. A giant cookie. Too big for me to hold. Airfish? That's so weird, but cool. A magic door to a jungle, right in my room. Star lamp lighting up my room, so cozy. All aboard the magic train dead. Choo-choo! Magic glasses let me see secret things. Say hi to my robot buddy bed. He's so cool. The floor turned jelly, so bouncy. I'm flying in a balloon, up, up, and away. A cloud bed, the comfiest place ever. A book that reads to me. Wow! A mini garden on my desk. Oh, so fresh. Whoa! This pencil just opened a hidden treasure! This is not just paper. It's a whole island. Whoa! These glasses make me dizzy and funny.
Invisible magic paint. You can't see it, but it's there.
Look! Balloon animals come to life. Up, up, and away. My drawing just went to space. Wow! I just opened a door to Candyland! I can fly now! This pencil is amazing! A dancing robot? Best day ever! Look! A secret door to a magical library. What wonders await inside?
Your next quest lies within me.
A talking book? It says my next adventure starts here. Whoa! I need a magic shield, quick, before the papers swirl me away. My boat's ready. Let's sail down this magical waterway. Goodbye, classroom. Off to a new magical adventure. Look! A magic key! I wonder what treasure it will open. Say cheese. Selfie time on SynthiVerse Irfan.
Don't forget to subscribe to SynthiVerse Irfan.